How much it is?
I'll throw you a deal because it's holla.
Yeah.
So
Well, what the holla deal look like though?
How you do it for fun?
And just cause I rock with you, you know what I'm saying? I'ma throw you 5, right?
You said 4, we gonna give you 5. We gonna give you 5 for it. We gonna give you 5 for it. Now you want 4.
I think the lowest he would take is probably like 26, 27.
27. 27. We got 27. Yeah. What is going on? I got this squad. You gotta stop. I got the squad. That one smelled like hot dog water. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, this is what we on today, bro. We going table to table. We trolling people, asking can they take the least amount of money for the most expensive shoe on their table. So we walking up seeing PEs asking for people, can you take $300 to $200? We walking down.
I ain't doing that, man.
Listen,
I ain't doing that, bro.
This hat kind of
I'm taking the shoes for free, bro.
Yeah, so hey, look, I'm gonna be going to different venue tables. I'm gonna be going to different people, and I'm really about to be talking down, trying to get prices that's unimaginable, and hopefully I can actually get a shoe that's unimaginable. Let's see how this goes. What's popping?
What's good,
What's
bro?
going on, man?
We back.
How you living?
Hey, man, just trying to survive like you.
Listen, this is the infamous, the one and only DJ. I always tell a story whenever I link with you. Before YouTube was what YouTube was, it was me and DJ. And we took some crazy road trips. We had some crazy times. I whooped him in Madden like 3-4 times. He's never gonna admit it. I guarantee he's never gonna admit it. But my boy just got me right. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I just bought from him. It's a grill. You agree?
Yes.
So a lot of y'all be tripping because my comments, I be saying I bought a grill. Y'all saying it's not a grill. This was definitely 100% a grill. Let me ask you though. Don't touch. Okay, I can touch. It say don't touch. These 5s.
This shoe?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These are Cotton Bowl.
Cotton Bowl.
When they went to the Cotton Bowl.
Can you do 200?
200K?
$200 US though.
You want to borrow it?
Nah, like, can I take these home for $200?
These?
Yeah.
I got one like it. You can take it 200.
You can't do $200? Maybe Break can talk them down real quick. Break, go back.
What are these?
I know.
The Alabama, the road type 5s?
They look like the Gatorade 5s or something, bro.
I got a pair of those for you.
I don't know about these, man. What size? These your size shoes?
Yeah, they my size, bro. We can't do
$150, bro.
$150?
$150 to trade the shoes on my feet. $150 to trade the shoes on my feet.
That's a deal.
I got one like it. I give you.
Is this whole thing y'all table? Yeah. So look, this my size. Look, hey, Break. Can y'all do 200? Can y'all do 200, bro?
That's not respectable. Bro. That's not respectable.
Okay.
That's not respectable.
Okay.
He's been very disrespectful, right?
That's insanity.
I got 250.
Bro, I'm saying.
I got 250.
Whoa.
I got
Come on, bro.
250.
First of all,
I got 250.
Yeah.
Just take that. Just take that.
Bro, go ahead and take it.
For what?
It's yours, bro.
I apologize for them, bro. I apologize for them. Listen, first of all, y'all trying to give up too much money for them, bro. 190, bro.
You're right.
190, bro.
You're right.
You gotta know the sneaker market. 190, bro.
Hey, come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Laces, bro. Minus these laces.
You know what I'm saying? I have been looking for these everywhere. I just need, look, bro, give me a good deal on these.
They're not mine personally, but they're our boys.
These yours?
Yeah, that's Taco G.
Can you do 200?
200. I don't even know what they want for that. I don't even know what stickers 200.
Okay, you're right. I'm bugging. 5.
5,000. Right?
I ain't got that. Let's be honest. I ain't got. Look, I work at Walmart part time at that. Can you do 300?
I could not do 300.
What if you keep the box and I just want the shoe? Like you can keep the box, you can keep everything else. 1,000?
No, sir.
It's a good price, bro. 120.
You can't do 120? I'm gonna be honest, bro. Look, I don't know if we're gonna be able to find something today. People just not going for the prices.
There's a lot of extra strings on here. What's it?
What if I give you the additional laces and you keep the tag?
You keep this
I don't
one
want
and
it.
this.
I just want the shoe. 50. I heard word on the street is these go for $1 million. You know what I'm saying?
They're gonna warn right
I heard these go for $1 million. It's only right we gotta ask, bro. These nice.
How you guys doing today?
This you, bro? This yours?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What's the lowest you can do on these?
I'm green button twice on StockX.
Green button twice on StockX?
Yeah.
What that mean?
Sniper over
Review purchase, confirm purchase.
trying to get some stuff going on.
Shipping.
Can you do 1,000?
What size is
contest night. The next low ball, the next time I don't get the right low ball, bro, I'm stealing somebody, bro. I'm going to people. I'm at Aaron. How much would you pay for these?
Honestly, bro, like a smooth, like 120.
120?
120 max.
Bro, these go for 1,300. I told him I want 900. He said he can't do it. The next show I'm picking up going for 2 million. My man from Cleveland, we got the Cleveland connection. Let me get the Travis Scott Lowe's for 300. And we both from the same city. You know how we do it. Hey, come on, bro. We gotta do it. Huh?
What side you from?
He said I was born in St. Clair. I went to school in Louisville. Yeah. Now talk to me. Talk to me. But look though, hold on. 300. I know we good on it. Look, I know we good for it. Look, he thinking like we ain't that. He can do 300, bro. Talk to me, bro. Come on, bro.
Tell my niggas, man. Hey, fam.
Come on, man. I not be seeing you on YouTube. Don't come over here trying to finesse me, man. Come on.
Some Cleveland shit right now, you know what I'm saying? We could do 300, you know, I'm about to do. Yeah, born and raised. Off-White Air Force One lemonade, my God. Size 11, this you? This your price? Yeah. You got them at 1,700. Can you do 17? You got these at 1,700. Yeah. If the lowest you can do it, can you do 17?
1,700? I'm confused.
Nah, $17.
Asking for 16.
Yeah. Okay. Can you do 1,000?
My lowest would be like 1,600.
1,600? I can get you front row tickets to Bad Bunny. So look, my guy, I've been knowing him for a while now. The elevation has been crazy. He started off with only the sneaker lamps, but as y'all can see, look at this one. That's hard. The AI joint.
Listen, look. I got $100. You can tell me where this is from.
You know I don't watch anime, bro.
Got the match too, bro. Show
got the match too?
Yeah.
The match is going crazy. Tell them where they can find you at, bro.
Yo, Secret Cell 101, man. You already know.
Also, we doing something. Check out the end of the video. He also has something else that I know y'all gonna like. So check out the end of this video. He giving me something that I know a lot of my sneakerheads that travel a lot. I know y'all gonna rock with this, so stay tuned. Watch the end of the video. I'm linking everything he has down below in the description of the video, so make sure you click the link. 3M back outside.
You already know.
That's how we met off the 3M jacket. Remember that?
Yeah.
We met.
That was like what? 2007, 18.
My boy Matt introduced me to you.
Yeah, because you were doing like the $100 where I could buy a sneaker contest. Now look,
3M joints, bro. All 3M. And y'all don't know, hey, nigga, when you get here?
I've been here. Candyman.
The only big dude I know that move in silence. Anyway, if y'all don't know, this is the guy who helped me out make the dream big merch. We also had some merch planned for Atlanta, but just due to like planning, it wasn't able to go through. But we still do plan on making like some hats.
100K merch?
100K merch.
100K
that might
merch.
It might be it.
A couple of weeks from
It might be it. So
100K merch.
I'm dropping my boy Nick Juff down below, way before the fame. Check him out, man. Check him out. He legit.
One last thing.
Yeah.
He's the reason I make YouTube videos, kinda.
Dash?
I got like.
Nigga, don't have me crying in this bit. Don't have me crying, bro.
I got like 1,500 subs.
That's crazy.
Monetize everything. Cause I always seen you grinding. I was like, yo, bro, it's lit. That like.
Nah,
hey,
that's
man,
lit.
holla. Hey, man, holla.
All right, y'all. Now it's time for another episode of Shopping with Big Holla. Today we got the designer version. I know y'all used to us being in a mall doing little things, $300, $200, but today we decided to step it up. Big Holla, talk to him.
Yo, listen, we got I'm gonna give y'all the tip of the day, all right? Y'all see the hat, the tip of the
Okay.
Never buy these, all right? I don't know what the Grinch done put on his feet, all right? My man done got some Vans, scribbled some G's on it.
Why is the hat like that?
TIP.
Okay, got you.
Here for tips and tricks on how to shop at SneakerCon.
Okay.
And this ain't something you need to buy. So we just gonna.
No.
I can't throw it.
No.
I'm asking 450 right now.
450?
That's not bad.
Can you do 200? Just because me and you go back since high school. We went to the same high school. It was me. I was the dude sitting behind you. Huh? Nah. See, look, you try to give me a trick question. Look. I'm already knowing. We didn't go to high school in Atlanta, bro. It was just me and you.
Yeah, that's right. I run you 375 for you.
375?
That's it, yeah.
What if I told you I got 2 front row tickets to see Bad Bunny tonight in Atlanta?
I already been in there.
Damn. Now it's time to step it up a notch. I feel like I've been very patient asking people to go for my prices. And since nobody want to do it, let's play a little game. Come with me, Holla. All right, my guy, how you doing today, man?
What's up?
I'm Snipe, bro. What's your name?
My name is Mustafa from Solando.
Listen, bro, I've been looking everywhere for the Plot 50 joints, the Lot 50 joints.
Right here.
Let's play a game, right? If I spin this wheel, and it land on green, they gotta go for my price. But, all right, if it don't, you can up the price on that.
You want it on green.
If it land on green,
What's your price though?
$200. Hey, look, the chance is like 1 in a million, bro. The chance is like one. It ain't like I got one of these in the backyard. I don't practice. You know what I'm saying? $200.
I'll give you a good price if it lands on green, but I can't give you no 200.
All right.
What is a good price?
A good, yeah, what is a good price, technically?
1,300.
That's the price. That's the price. All right, look. If I land on green, 800.
If it
don't land on green, double.
If it land on green, I'll give it to you for 1,000. If it doesn't land on green, you got to buy 1,500.
God damn! I like that though.
Right,
see?
look,
Hell no.
Let me spin the
Test it out. Test it out.
Don't touch that. Don't touch that.
Now I kind of want to spin it just for fun, baby. I told him if I spin this and they land on green, you got to give me this for $200. All right?
And if it don't, what happens?
I got to pay double. But we didn't go through with it. I just want to see if I can do it. That would have been tough. I've been looking for a specific pair of sneakers. Specific. Got them right here. Can I see these, my guy?
Well, you did say you wanted those.
I want these back in my life, man.
Oh, the weather.
Yeah, bro. I sold these like when they first came out, and I want these back in my life, man.
Their size?
They're not my size. They're too small.
Oh, dang.
But still, though, I know y'all think foams is dead, and that's fine. But just for like my peace of mind, I need my Weatherman's back. So my guy, unfortunately, doesn't have my size. But if anybody out there with the heart, okay, and if you see the Weatherman foams in a size 12, let me know. I'm dying inside, bro. I haven't slept right properly in 3 years. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to witness the holla, walk down, talk down. How much are these?
I'll throw you a deal because it's holla.
Yeah. Well, what the holla deal look like though?
How you do it for $4? What's your size though?
4? Look, big money holla, big money holla.
Big money holla. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. And just because I rock with you, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw you 5, all right?
Yeah, you said 4, we gonna give you 5. We gonna give you 5 for. We gonna give you 5 for. Now you want 4, we gonna give you 5 for. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, he agreed to the price. I'll throw a little tip in there for you.
I think the lowest he would take is probably like 26, 27.
26, 27.
You firm on that though. You firm on that.
100%, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, right there.
Come back.
Let me talk to my man.
Let me pull out my wallet. Okay. Let's see. You know what I'm saying? My man said 26. All right. So we gonna go in here and see if we got 26. We got, you know what I'm saying? We
Okay,
got
20. I go on 5.
25.
See if he can take 25. See if he can take 25.
What about 25?
25? 27.
Maybe if I go, you know what I'm saying? He said 27.
Yeah. 27. 27. We got 27.
Here the $27. All right? You know what I'm saying?
You asked for 27. You got 27. That's 27.
I mean, I'll take it.
$27. I heard 27. We got 27. So deal, right? Hey,
$7 you can get this.
Bagging and tagging. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It is the end of the video, concluding everything that happened at SneakerCon. So if you're watching this video, hopefully you watched the first video I dropped. That was like yesterday or 2 days ago, where I bought my girlfriend her dream pair of sneakers. Check out that video if you haven't already done that. But in today's video at SneakerCon, basically you see me trying to pretty much get people to make me pay the lowest amount possible. Someone who was kind of trolls, but actually we got a few people who agreed to some great prices, and I wanted to show y'all everything that we got outside of yesterday's video today. It was so much cool stuff, man. Let's start off with this. My girlfriend got this Dennis Rodman action figure with like the separate head. This is like a it gotta be like a 1990s type action figure that she was able to get. And on the back, it shows you like the 2 different Dennis Rodman costumes you can have. And by her just like loving vintage stuff, by her collecting and wanting her own store one day, I just thought that this was super fire and something that she can find. Now, even though it's very rare, and even in the top right hand corner it say limited edition on this thing. So even though it's very rare, she was able to get this for $15, which is absolutely insane. Y'all know Dennis Rodman might be one of like the most cultural icon, especially back in that time. Also, she was able to get this vintage crew neck. This was fire. As y'all can see, it's like the Buffalo Bills. and the Cowboys. This was Super Bowl, 1994 in Atlanta, which is kind of cool. So this is a starter. You can see on the back. Great material. I'm not sure how much he got this one for. I think it was like 40 bucks. Still pretty cool because it's SneakerCon Atlanta. Next up is something very, very fire. I'm saving the sneakers for last, but next up is something very, very fire from my homie from Sneaker Sale 101. This bag that I was able to talk him down to. He gave me a great deal, and the bag has not came out yet. So what I'm showing y'all is an unreleased bag that will be dropping soon. If you're interested in this, I'm dropping Sneaker Sale 101 Instagram link down below, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna make a huge announcement when this bag debuts. But as you can see, it's duffel bag style, right? So hopefully I got enough space. Duffel bag style, got the handle here, you can open it up, and as we take the straps off, we open this up. It is a compartment for your sneakers. Now I got dividers in it. It got like 3 dividers that you can put in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can probably fit about like 4 pair of sneakers in here, which is very dope. You can customize the dividers. It also comes with like the shoulder bag. A very, very dope sneaker bag, especially if you're traveling. People like me, whenever I go to SneakerCon in different cities, or whenever I'm just traveling with my girlfriend on vacation, I tend to bring a lot of shoes. I'm not gonna lie. I like to have different flavors for different outfits. This bag is perfect. It even got a space up here for your accessories, even stuff here, whether it be phone charger, AirPod, whatever. And the bag is actually pretty good. It's something that you can actually carry on a plane. So check out the link down below, Sneaker Sale 101. Like, that bag is fire. Thank God he looked out for me, dropped a good price. I was able to pick it up. First off, shout out to my girl. Y'all know I bought her a pair of sneakers in the last video, but this time she picked out something herself. She copped her a pair of the Air Jordan 1 Mocha Lows, y'all. The Air Jordan 1 Low Mochas for only $130. I believe these are unreleased women's sizes. This shoe is fire. I mean, the Mocha colorway is something that's coming back kind of crazy. She do have the OG Mocha highs, but I just think that this low is insane. I wish these came in extended men's sizes to a size 12. I think the highest size for extended men's is like 11, so I won't be able to have these, but I still think that this shoe is super dope. I was very jealous she was able to get this for only $130 because I couldn't. So instead, I decided to pop out and get me a sneaker that I've been wanting for a very, very long time. Hey now, hey now, hey now. You know, if I'm pulling out something out of this box, then it's something worthwhile. All right, we got the Nike SB box. This is not like the non-tradition box. It's like when you got one of them ones, and if you ask me, I believe I got one of them ones. We got the Paul Rodriguez with the Dunk SB. Man, y'all know I love me some dunks. Y'all know I love this drop. I remember when the drop happened, I wanted these so bad. Shout out to my boy DJ. He worked out a great price for me on these. As y'all seen in the video, DJ is the homie. He's one of the guys that I originally started being around when I was doing YouTube, who believed in me a very long time ago. Almost 3.5 years ago, I met DJ, and we still been cool ever since. He has his own sneaker store in Athens, Georgia, which is not too far from the UGA campus. Anybody out there that's collecting sneakers, buying sneakers, or whatever, I'm dropping his link down below to his store as well, or his IG page, for y'all to go over there and see what he has at the store if you in the area and pick up some fire. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments on my new pickups. We was able to talk down a few things, all right? Some of that was trolling, but we were able to actually talk people down for a few items. So maybe you should try to talk people down the next time you go to SneakerCon. It is your boy Never Jones, man. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new. A lot of sneaker content coming your way, man. And as you can see, we're very close to 100K, so let's make it happen. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all that is down below. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.